Hi, 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 how is everyone today? How are we doing, guys, on this Tuesday lunchtime, just about Tuesday lunchtime? It is so nice to see everyone. I got my Whiff Box on Saturday and I was so excited because I was desperate to go live and tell you all about it, and then I was really poorly, really poorly Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but I've been back singing this morning, so I'm feeling loads better, thank goodness, and it's nice to be back with you and back doing it live as well. So this month's Whiff Box, before I start, I really should say who I am, shouldn't I? So I'm Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I'm one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. We do have, of course, this page. We also have a group. If you're not in our group, do come and join us. If you want to have details coming in every day, we've got a WhatsApp broadcast as well. We share things on YouTube, and I will share this to both the group and to YouTube. So if you're on YouTube watching, do give us a subscribe, give us a comment, let us know what you think of the videos, because we always like to know. But anyway, I have got this month's Whiff Box. Now, a little bit different to our normal Whiff Box. So this month, the contents were so huge, they wouldn't fit in a normal Whiff Box. Good grief. So we've just got a little box with them in. This has actually come with my Scentsy club. I've got the rest of my Scentsy club the other side of the room, so I shall be sniffing through that later. But yes, here is the Whiff Box, and I am very excited about the contents. I have had a sneak peek, not at my own, but I do have an idea of what's in it. And one of the contents, totally exclusive. In fact, there's 2 exclusive products in here this month, so it is very excited. So we start off, they've popped in a little holiday collection brochure, so you can see all the gorgeous things that we have in our holiday collection at the moment. Where's what I've ordered? I want to show you what I've ordered. I'm sure it will be in here somewhere. Ah, there it is. I've ordered the RV. So I haven't watched, it's to do with, what's it to do with? National Lampoon's something or other, isn't it? I haven't watched that, but I've just bought a VW Volkswagen camper van, which I'm very excited, very old one, nearly 30 years old. So I was like, I've got to have a camper van. So I was very excited. So I've got that ordered. That's arrived as well, and I haven't opened that either because, as I say, I was too poorly. But there are lots and lots of beautiful products in our holiday, our Christmas collection. Some gorgeous fragrances. I have sniffed through the fragrances on here already, so if you haven't seen that, scroll back and find where I sniff the Christmas fragrances, because they're lovely. So you get a little brochure, which is a lovely touch. Then we've got a little bit of information. Whiff Box, a hint of the holidays is at your door. And it says, the Scentsy holiday collection has arrived. Your October Whiff Box has an exclusive mini warmer paired with a whiff of our most enchanting products from the new collection. Ask your consultant, that's me, about more ways to celebrate. Oh my goodness. So I've got lots of stuff that I'm going to end up throwing all over my living room floor. I'll move the waxes out the way first, and then I can get the mini warmer out and show you. In fact, I'm going to get everything out on the table, and then I can share it with you properly. So the mini warmer, which I am super duper excited about. Let me move these waxes out the way. Look, it's Father Christmas. How cute. Or they call him Saint Nick. I call him Father Christmas, or you might call him Santa Claus. You can call him whatever you like. He's very cute and dressed in red and Christmassy. So what's more to love? So let's have a look. Wow. It is even more gorgeous in real life. Look at that. So that is the mini warmer. Now I've got the base. I don't need to get the base. You understand how they work. It will fit on the base and then plugs directly into the wall. How flipping gorgeous is that? And if I turn him round, can you see it's got holes in the back? So the holes in the back will let the light shine through. So the light will shine through. So wherever you've got him plugged in, that will shine out the back. And then there is the dish to put your wax. I mean, that looks really big. For a mini warmer, I normally say 1 cube, but I'd say you can probably get 2 cubes in there. But there he is, Father Christmas, looking splendid. How amazing is that in a whiff box? Absolutely flipping gorgeous. I love him. I can't wait to put him up. He's going to have to wait a little bit. I'm not quite ready to put my Christmas warmers out yet. I've currently got all my Halloween warmers out. So not quite ready for the Christmas ones, but awesome to have him there already. Okay, so what else have we got? We've got some washer whiffs in vanilla Barnwood. I love vanilla fragrances. Oh, that is so good. So our washer whiffs are like fragrance enhancers for your washing. So you literally pop a scoop, and there is a little scoop in there. I won't take it out because I'm going to end up throwing them everywhere. I normally take it out when it's next to the washing machine. There's a little scoop. You put 1 scoop in the drum of your washing machine and you will have beautiful fragrance washing. So that's in vanilla Barnwood. How lovely. And that was one of our newer fragrances last year. Beautiful, beautiful vanilla fragrance. Now let's get on to the wax. So you get not 1, not 2, but 3 bars. 3 bars of wax. Look at that. So now this one I already know I absolutely love. This is part of the Christmas collection. This is gingerbread cheese. Actually, no, it's not. I'm lying. No, I'm lying. I thought this was gingerbread crunch, but it's not. It's gingerbread cheesecake. It's not part of the Christmas collection. It's a different one, so I need to get my nose in there and have a sniff. I thought it was the same as what was in the Christmas collection. That will teach me to read it better. Oh, but it smells just as good. Yum. So this has got that lovely gingerbreadness to it. So what did it say? Gingerbread cheesecake. I want to lick it. It smells so good. Let's see if I can squidge it out. Smell the bottom. Oh, yeah. It really has got that cheesecakiness to it. I think super light, vanilla-y, fluffy gingerbread. Nice. That is yum. Scrumptious. Scrumptious is what I'm calling that. Gingerbread cheesecake. Then we've got Frosted Fantasy. Frosted Fantasy. Let's have a sniff of this one. Oh, that's much more piney. Might even be a bit minty, actually. Perhaps even some eucalyptus in there. Oh, yum. Now, I'm not so keen on the really fresh, piney ones. That's probably more sapphire than me, but I actually quite like it. Yes, that's nice. So that's Frosted Fantasy. And then this is the one I've been really looking forward to sniffing. This is the other exclusive one. This is called Christmas Cookie. Christmas Cookie. Look at the design on that. How pretty is that? Beautiful. Let's see. Let's see what Christmas Cookie smells like. So again, if you like bakery fragrances, you will love this. It's not as vanilla-y as I expected it to be. I can definitely smell, though, the bakeryness, the cookies. Cookies and cream, I want to say. Not quite as strong as I expected it to be. But they're often, particularly bakery ones, I often find are stronger once they're warmed. But it is very nice. So look at all that in a box. 3 bars of wax. 3 bars of wax. You have got a tub of washer whiffs, And, oh, I wrapped him back up while I was chatting. You have got the gorgeous St. Nick mini warmer. He does obviously come with his base. The gorgeous St. Nick Father Christmas mini warmer there. Look at him. Ho, ho, ho. It's too early to say ho, 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 isn't it, in October? But he is rather gorgeous. So this box is worth about £68. And you can get it for 42. So, no-brainer really, isn't it? Absolute no-brainer. What a beautiful, beautiful box to get for yourself or to get as a gift for somebody else. So if you fancy getting this box, I will pop the link. You can either message us directly if we're close to you, or you can order through the link, which I will pop on here once I finish the live. All right then, my loves, you take care, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Loads of love. Bye-bye.